In JavaScript, an array is a data structure used to store collection of data. Let's print our array. An array can be defined with items enclosed in square brackets. The elements inside an array all have positions starting from 0. These positions are called indexes. We can get any value of an array by using these indexes. Now, if we print array of 4, we will get 5 because at the fourth index, the value 5 is stored. If we try to get an index that is not even there, we'll get the value undefined. For arrays, we have many useful inbuilt functions. If we print array.length, we'll get how many elements are there in the array. To add any element at the end of the array, we can use the push method. Now, 6 will be pushed at the end of the array. Let's log our array after we push the value 6. Also, to remove any value from the end of an array, we can use the pop method. This will simply remove the last element, that is 5, from our array. We can also use the reverse method to reverse the elements in our array. JavaScript has many more inbuilt functions that we can use later on.